What's up, people? Live from Depression Cave, we got Iron Maiden playing in the background, Number the Beast, dedicated to Google. Google hit 66666 yesterday. Almost actually landed on there to close, which opened my eyes to my rampant irrational exuberance into the stock. Now, you understand, I've been pumping Google since that day that I got stopped out of it at 585. We had that opportunity to get it at 560, 570. Nobody wanted to take it. 580, 600. Then I begged and pleaded that you get back in at 615. It was one of those typical trades where I picked a number. I said, I'll give myself a 30-point stop on it. And I got stopped out. It went down another 15 or 20 points and then started to go back up. I was too stubborn to get back in. And I own a little bit for my kids, but nothing like I should own. There's options and there's so many different ways we could have played this move. But right now we have to decide what we're gonna do. Let's decide right now. I think Google is gonna go have a nice year. But if we run to, let's say, 700 or 720, or maybe get to all-time highs before the numbers come out, I think we're gonna have to get out of the stock before they report. Because if a stock runs from 560 to 750 or wherever it lands, we might have to just reevaluate. But right now, the year's starting off just as great as December ended. Market's giving us 5 or 6 opportunities a day to make some money. You got different stocks ripping. Yesterday, obviously, was the Netflix trade. I made 8 cents on the trade. The stock went up 8 points after I sold out of it. So still, even if you don't want to believe what happens to me when I trade, you have to come witness it for yourself. Because now it's been all right. I've been making some money, and you've been making some money, and everybody's been pretty happy. Now, what we've been doing has been staying completely disciplined. Lately we haven't been trading too much, even till 10 o'clock sometimes. If the market gaps up like it did on Tuesday, we sit and we wait for some shorts. We had the CRM short again, which is a really weak stock lately. We've had, what did we have that day? Well, regardless, but yesterday we had a few stocks that went positive, and those were decent trades, but then we overtraded a little bit, tried to recapture the glory that we missed in the Netflix trade, churned my account a little bit, wound up with our first losing day in a long time. And yes, we had a losing day. And yes, if you would have got into the win after I sold out of it, you would have got hammered. So it doesn't always work, obviously. But nothing always works. What we try to do is we try to isolate what is working. And yesterday we had the DEC, we had the JP Morgan, the Morgan Stanley, the Hans. So there were winners out there. You just have to remain disciplined. Now, let's go check out some of the viewer mail I got. Some positive comments. Positive comments coming out of the world here. Wait, hang on a second. Let me see if I can get them for you. Here we go. You made 1,114 videos. Perhaps you should spend more time learning how to trade and less time making lousy videos. Cypher Dude number 1. Hi, Cypher Dude number 1. Well, that's a great point. Maybe I should learn a little bit more. And that's why I invite some of the guys that know more than me into my chat room to explain to you what they like. And we all learn together. So if you are a trader and you want to come hang out, again, I invite all the haters more. I invite the haters to come and witness what goes on, so maybe you can see what happens. And if you are so smart and you're so gotta be a genius if you're leaving comments on YouTube, come on and show us how much you got. Again, if you give us 3 winners in a row, you can win a prize. Maybe you could get Black Ops, Call of Duty, or maybe you'll win a gold statue of the bull outside. We got prizes this year. Lots of cool stuff going on at the Hit the Bid show now. All right. Well, I can't talk. I can't read this next mail because my kid's sitting behind me, so I will have to skip that one. But you could pretty much assume what it says. You're this and go kill you that, and you should just die. More or less, that's what that one came to. But it's obvious you have no discipline. Baba 14K. Baba 14K again. Yes, I have no discipline, and some of the videos that you're watching are 3.5 years old. And if you don't know, we've barked it out since then. If you don't know what barking it out is, what I do is when I'm under a huge amount of stress, I'll just bark, and it makes me feel better, and I'm able to go on and learn a little bit more about myself. All right, well, I'm going to cut this short because I got things to do. See you later. Make sure you check your spam folders. I'm sending out another 20 invites today. And thanks for everybody that's been participating. And I'd like to get everybody there collectively. We've got about 100 subscribers so far. Let's get everybody into the room at once. Let's all be there at one time and keep this thing going. Because yesterday we fell below 25 and I lost money. So subconsciously I'm thinking I got to have a minimum of 25 people in that room to get things going. See ya.